pain made me sing. I know I'm a saint, but I find myself sinning, and it feels like a blast from the past. In the past, life got me beat, now I dance to it.
Come on.
Lights of the flesh, I fall to it. Cause life had me beat, now I write to it. It be lying through a steel like his name, Mr. Floss. And he highlights on my flaws, got me thinking like I'm sinking and I'm shrinking. I ain't living for applause. I got 99 problems, but he's sticking to the cross, yeah.
If grace is sufficient, what am I lacking? If grace changes, why is life boring? If grace is our strength, then why we are crawling? Now beating, go high, start floating. Night to turn bright, joy in the morning. My life's canvas to it, my morning gets me morning. Wake up, payday to it, what I've been sowing. Supposed to be a new day for me to go out and glowing. I remember killing myself, laying in the coffin. Now I don't know which part of me's dead and which part of me's walking. If the grace is all I need, then what am I lacking? I don't know, but all I need is like grace to stay loaded in the second time.
Life in Christ is so tough, but I'm living it. Many trials and tribulations, but I'm still here. Though Satan trying to trick me, got me down my faith with his lies. His scheme is foolish if it take me to the suicide. But what I'm trying to kill is my flesh, shit, that's a good fight. I'm lying if I say I always and sometimes there's supply. So many ups and downs in the journey, I fall and I rise. Still refuse to quit on my homie, though it's bumpy ride. I confess, I cry many times, my eyes full of tears, but God is so omnipotent, he conquer all my fears. His grace is sufficient, his strength and perfect in my weakness. So I boast in my infirmities to get me close to Jesus. And we're trembling and shaken by the lies of Lucifer. And we're bowing down to the Father of flower, prince of the air. Just for my God, Yahweh, Jehovah.